before Khmer dancers perform, before the celebrations begin, before Khmer New Year fills the temples and communities with music and joy. Many performers first gather for a tradition known as Sampeh Kru.
Bestow you with some graceful energy and aura so that our performance in April will be successful. And it always is successful because we do this.
Sampeh Kru is a ceremony of gratitude, respect, and remembrance, one that has helped preserve Khmer culture for generations.
Tukteyam Pethomeang Aratanang Garami Tukteyam Pesamkhang Aratanang Takteyam Peputyang Aratanang Garami Takteyam Pethomeang Aratanang Garami Takteyam Pesamkhang Aratanang Garami Sake kame charupe khersakharatade chantaleke vimyane tipe rathe chakyame terubek kehane ke hebethom he khete bhumi chayante.
Sampeh Kru is a traditional ceremony honoring teachers, masters, and those who pass down Khmer knowledge and performing arts. The word Sampeh refers to showing respect through a traditional greeting or bow. Kru means teacher or master. Together, they represent gratitude towards those who dedicate their lives towards teaching others.
Ahit me Ying Ma Pranyap Mien Kru Dap Kru Chlak Kru Pia Kru Sabai Kru Chring Kru Hoi Kru Srai Kru Diet Thong Kru Diet Ai So Me Chơi Ma Prakum Mien Kru Ko Ma Tong Salai and Chơi Ma.
What makes Sampeh Kru special is not only the ceremony itself, it is the meaning behind each gesture: respect, humility, gratitude, values deeply rooted within Khmer culture. Every bow and offering serves as a reminder that knowledge is never inherited alone. It is passed from one generation to the next. For centuries, Khmer tradition survived because teachers continued teaching and students continued learning. In the performing arts, this relationship between teacher and student remains central. Sampeh Kru recognizes that every performer stands on the shoulders of those who came before them.
So I chơi sạc soi ai bán cho ai có có tàu hòn เพลงตรา
For Khmer communities throughout the world, traditions like Sempekru continues connecting younger generations to their cultural heritage. Especially for Cambodian Americans, these ceremonies help preserve the customs that might otherwise be forgotten. Culture survives through participation, through teaching, and through community. Looking back at the ceremony, I remembered that preserving culture isn't something that happens automatically. It requires teachers willing to teach, students willing to learn, and communities willing to keep the tradition alive. That's one reason that Sempekru continues to matter today. After the blessings are complete, preparations for the Khmer New Year celebration continues. But the ceremony leaves behind an important reminder. Before we celebrate, before we perform, before we teach, we first give thanks. Sempekru reminds us that Khmer culture survives because each generation chooses to carry it forward. From A Khmer Life, thank you for joining us in celebrating and preserving Khmer culture.